Let's say your gravity sensor of the second good tray is broken. Open the file on your computer. Install two programs as shown in the video. Choose English language. OK. I accept the agreement. Next. Select a disk. Install. Finish. Those two, choose which one to install depending on your computer. Next. I accept the agreement. Next. Finish. Open the serial port utility you just installed, and set it following the steps in the video. Click the button at the arrow when setting are complete. Open the document in the folder. Copy the string of number into serial port utility. Paste the number you just copied here. Send. This place shows us string numbers to indicate success. First, you need to remove the electronic price tag. The next step is to remove the screws holding the goods tray. Please attention, there are also screws at the bottom of the goods tray. Take the tray out. Now you can see the gravity sensor. Remove the ties securing the electric wire. Find the waterproof joint screw on the left and unscrew it. Eventually, you are able to remove the old gravity sensor and install a new one.